यशैव पादं भजभक्तिलभ्यो प्रेमाभिधान परमकुमार तस्मै जगन्मङ्गलमङ्गलाय चैतन्य नमो नमस्ते। आनन्दलीलामय विग्रहाय हेमावदिव्यो छविसुन्दराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय चैतन्यचन्द्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य श्री चैतन्यचन्द्राय नमः। चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला चैप्टर 17 टेक्स्ट 17। तबे सची देखिल राम कृष्ण दुई भाई तबे सची देखिल राम कृष्ण दुई भाई तबे निस्तारिल प्रभु जगाई माधाई तबे निस्तारिल प्रभु जगाई माधाई तबे सप्त प्रहर छिला प्रभु बाबा बेसे भक्तगण देखिल विशेष तबे निस्तारिल प्रभु जगाई माधाई। Thereafter Mother Sachi Devi saw the brothers Krishna and Balaram in their manifestations of Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda. Then the Lord delivered the two brothers, Jagai and Madhai, purport by Srila Prabhupada. One night, Sachi Devi dreamt that the deities in her house, Krishna and Balaram, had taken the forms of Chaitanya and Nityananda and were fighting one another as children do to eat Naivedya or offering to the deities. Next day, by the will of Lord Chaitanya, Sachi Devi invited Nityananda to take prasad at her house. Thus Vishwambara, Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda were eating together, and Sachi Devi realized that they were none other than Krishna and Balaram. Seeing this, she fainted. Jagai and Madhai were two brothers born in Navadip in a respectable Brahmana family, who later became addicted to all kinds of sinful activities. By the order of Lord Chaitanya, both Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur used to preach the cult of Krishna. In the course of such preaching, they found Jagai and Madhai, two maddened drunken brothers who, upon seeing them, began to chase them. On the next day, Madhai struck Nityananda Prabhu on the head with a piece of earthen pot, thus drawing blood. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard of this, he immediately came to the spot ready to punish both brothers. But when the all-merciful Lord Gauranga, all-merciful, Gauranga saw Jagai's repentant behavior, he immediately embraced him. Why not Gauranga embrace you? Huh? Beg for mercy of Gauranga. Nonsense, understand? Yes, he is ready to embrace you, but you are not begging. By seeing Supreme Personality of Godhead face to face and embracing Him, both these sinful brothers were at once cleansed. Thus they received initiation into the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra from the Lord and were delivered. Krishna Bhajilo যাচিয়ে দিলে কখনো কিছু না বাঁচিল যাচিয়ে দিলে কখনো जालिया बोलो गौरांग कह गौरांग कह गौरांगेर नाम रे भज गौरांग कह गौरांग যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে So, all merciful Lord Gauranga, so the guy's repentant behavior immediately embraced him. Both these brothers were at once cleansed. भगवान को प्रत्यक्ष भाव रे दर्शन करी आलिंगन करता दर्शन करी दुईटा अति पापी जगाई माधाई दुई भाई संगे संगे विशुद्ध हो गले. Why not Gaura embrace you? Huh? You are more sinful than Jagai and Madhai, isn't it? So he is ready to embrace you. Huh? Go to him. You are not going, you are keeping yourself aloof. Nonsense. He's keeping himself aloof, away from him. Huh? He is ready to embrace you. Come to my fold, come to my fold. Must crush your head, nonsense. Such a nonsense, rascal. Huh? Going, getting away, running away. Huh? Not going to the fold of Mahaprabhu. Nonsense. Huh? He's ready to embrace you. He's so merciful, all-merciful Gaura. Huh? Embrace such most sinful brothers, Jagai and Madhai. Huh? Immediately they were cleansed. Thus they received initiation from chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Lord, and delivered. Parama Karuna. Pahun dui jana. Nitai Gaura Chandra. Bolo. Parama Karuna. Pahun dui jana. Nitai Gaura Chandra. 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 Prabhu Taro Sarasiro Mani Kevalo Ananda Kando Prabhu Taro Sarasiro Mani Kevalo Ananda Kando Prabhu Taro भज भज भाई चैतन्य निताई सुदृढ़ विश्वास तोरी भज भज भाई चैतन्य निताई सुदृढ़ विश्वास भज भज भाई चैतन्य निताई सुदृढ़ विश्वास तोरी भज भज भाई मुखे बोलो हरि हरि विषय जानिया से मानिया मुखे बोलो हरि हरि विषय छाड़िया तेरो से मारिया मुखे बोलो हरि हरि विषय छाड़िया तेरो से मारिया मुखे रे भाई त्रिभुवने नाही एमन दयाल दाता रे सुनी जारो गुण गाथा पशुपति जुरे असन बिदोरी सुनी जारो गुण गाथा पशुपति जुरे संसारी मोजिया कहली पड़िया से पदे नहिल आसो संसारी मोजिया कहली पड़िया से पदे नहिल अपन करम मुंगे समन कहलो छन दासो You understand? Understand? Try to understand. Parama karuna pahundui jana nitai gaura chandra. Shobhavatar sar siramani keval ananda gandha. You have translation? Yes?
This is a song by Lochan Das Thakur. Pahu means Lord, and Dui Jana means two. Lochan Das Thakur declares that the two Lords, Nitai Gaura Chandra, Lord Nitai and Lord Chaitanya, are very merciful.
Parama Karuna. Very, very merciful. Supremely merciful. Wonderfully merciful. Understand? Why you are bereft of their mercy? Give my stick, give me stick. Why you are bereft of his stick? Hey! Nonsense. Such two most degraded, most sinful, mad and drunkard brothers, Jogai and Madhai got their mercy. Why you are bereft of their mercy? Nonsense. Yes.
Saba Avatara Shara Siromani. Avatar means incarnation, and Saba means all. They are the essence of all incarnations. The specific significance of these incarnations is that prosecuting their way of self-realization is simply joyful. Kevala Anandakanda.
Saba Avatar Sara Siromani. Kevala Anandakanda. They are the crest jewel of all incarnations. What translation is that? Mani means jewel. Crest jewel of all incarnations. Kevala Anandakanda. What is that? You see their form? Only form of blissfulness. Only the form of blissfulness. Blissfulness, embodiment of blissfulness. Nothing else. Embodiment of blissfulness. All blissfulness, embodiment. So, incarnations. Bhaja bhaja vai sudruda. Chaitanya nitai sudruda vishwas kari. Vishayo chhariya sera se majya. Mukhe bola hari hari. Yes.
So they introduced chanting and dancing. There are many incarnations like Lord Ram and even Krishna who taught Bhagavad Gita, which requires knowledge and understanding. But Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda introduced a process that is simply joyful. Simply chant and dance. Therefore Lochan Das requests everyone, Bhajo Bhajo Bhai Chaitanya Nitai. My dear brother, I request that you just worship Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda with firm conviction and faith. Don't think that this chanting and dancing will not lead to the desired goal. It will. It is the assurance of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that one will get all perfection by this process. Therefore, one must chant with firm faith and conviction. Vishwasha Kori. But what is the process? The process is Vishayacharya Se Rasi Majjiya. If one wants to be Krishna conscious by this process, one has to give up his engagement in sense gratification. That is the only restriction. If one gives up sense gratification, it is sure that he will reach the desired goal. Mukhi Bolo Hari Hari. One simply has to chant Hare Krishna, Hari Hari, without any...
Yes. Bhaja, bhaja. You finished?
Almost.
Huh?
One must chant without any motive of sense gratification. Deko Ori Bhai Tribhuvane Nai.
No, wait. Bhaja, bhaja, bhai, Chaitanya Nitai, Sudhuda Vishwas, most significant. You should do bhajan of Chaitanya Nitai, firm faith, unflinching faith. Understand? This is most important, very, very significant. Firm faith, Sudhuda Vishwas, unflinching faith, unshakable faith. But your faith is shaking, isn't it? My stick. Faith is shaking. Huh? Unshakable faith, firm faith. Understand? What firm faith? Firm, unshaking faith, unflinching faith. Do bhajan. Engage yourself in bhajan of Chaitanya Nitai. Then condition, what condition? Visaya chhadiya, sero se majiya. Mukhe bolo hari hari. Give up this desire for material enjoyment. Give up this desire for material enjoyment. Desire for eating stole. Understand? Yeah, no more eating stole. It's sugar candy. Why are you eating stole? Nonsense. It's sugar candy, My stick. Don't like sugar candy? Stool is very palatable to you, a hog? Nonsense. It's a hog. Stool is very palatable to him, Never. Eating sugar candy? Nonsense. Visaya chhadiya, sero se majiya, mukhe bolo hari hari. Give up desire for material enjoyment. Eating stole, you understand? Completely drown yourself in that ocean of blissful marrow. Blissful marrow. Ocean of blissful marrow, completely drown yourself. Taste that marrow, sweet nectarian marrow that emanates from chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So, can't taste it? Jaundice affected person. Person affected by jaundice, if you give him sugar candy, what will say? Oh, bitter. Person affected by jaundice, if you give him sugar candy, bitter. He says bitter. Baba, sugar candy is sweet. How it tastes bitter to you? Because he is affected by jaundice. Understand my language? He is affected by jaundice. Therefore, this sweet thing, sugar candy is so sweet, but it tastes him bitter. Yes. Understand? You should realize this thing. Yes. I am a diseased person. Yes. I am a diseased person. Otherwise, why? What is very sweet, why it tastes bitter to me? Definitely I am a diseased person. Yes. Are you conscious of it? Are you callous? Conscious or callous?
He's becoming conscious.
Becoming conscious. He's callous. Yes. He's callous. Give up this callousness. Be conscious that definitely I am a diseased person. Yes. Yes. If you be conscious of this, there is hopeful case. Otherwise, if you are callous, hopeless case. Cannot be cured. No. He's a callous. Cannot be cured. You follow? Shameless person. He's a shameless person. No say. Shameless person. Do you understand? One shameless person was there. He's so callous, you see. Very big boil. Has curved up there. Raised its hair there at the buttock. Cannot sit. Oh, sitting like that. Cannot sit. Big boy, so much pain. It gives so much pain. At night cannot sleep. Big boy. If you ask, oh my brother, what has happened to you? Oh, a big banyan tree is cropping up. Banyan tree, he says. Such a shameless person. A shameless person. Big boiler. It's cropped up there in the buttock. Giving so much pain. Cannot sleep at night. Cannot sleep. Complains, I can sleep at night. Yes. Isn't it? Are you sleeping at night? No, he says no. He says no. Cannot sleep at night? Cannot sit? Are you sitting properly? No, no, he says no. Can't sleep properly. Can't sit properly. Big boy giving so much pain. If you ask, brother, what has happened to you? Hey, big banyan tree is cropping up. Banyan tree. Giving me nice cool shade. Giving me nice cool shade. Such a shameless person. Shameless person, yes. No shame at all. Understand my language? You understand what I say? I don't know. If you understand what I say, to the point I am hitting, do you understand my point? Understand? Another hug sitting there. You become two friends. Become two friends. Birds of same feather flock together, isn't it? Birds of same feather flock together. Two friends of the same mentality. Same mentality. Meeting together, oh my brother, yes. Very good we met together. All right, let us come to be friends and remain together. Stay together and sleep together. Sleep together, yes. He passes urine in the bed. He also. Both of the same category, same mentality, same nature, same habit. He passes urine on the bed. He also. All right, is very good. We'll sleep, we'll share in one bed. You pass urine in the bed, I also do the same. So no need of cleansing the bed. It's very good to sleep there. Understand my point? Understand? Yes, nodding his head. He's nodding his head. विषय छाड़िया शेर से मजिया मुखे बोलो हरि हरि. Give up this habit of eating straw. Give up this desire for material enjoyment. Completely absorbed in this sweet mellow, nectar and mellow emanating from chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Understand? Taste this mellow. মুখে বলো হরি হরি. দেখো রে ভাই ত্রিভুবনে নাই এমন দয়াল দাতা, পশু পাখি ঝুড়ে পাষাণ ভিতরে শুনি যার গুণগাথা.
Dekho Hare Bhai Tribhuvane Nai. Lochan Das Thakur says, my dear brother, you just try and examine this. Within the three worlds, there is no one like Lord Chaitanya or Lord Nityananda, because their merciful qualities are so great that they make even birds and beasts cry. What to speak of human beings?
Are you crying? No crying. They make birds and beasts cry. They make this stone melt. Because he is stone-like harder than. Stone-like heart doesn't melt. Is melting? No. Crying? They make the birds and beasts cry. But this hog is not crying. Hog is not crying. Are you crying? Are you crying? Crying at night? Crying at night. crying to get the mercy of Gaur and Nitai, isn't it? You are crying for not getting stool, isn't it? Not crying for mercy of Gaur and Nitai, such a hot. Cry, you say, देखो रे भाई त्रिभुवने नाही एमन दयाल दाता देखो रे भाई त्रिभुवने नाही एमन दयाल दाता देखो रे भाई त्रिभुवने नाही एमन दयाल दाता देखो रे भाई देखो रे भाई लोचन दास ठाकुर से, oh my brother, you will never find such merciful, such munificent two Prabhus as Gaur and Nitai in 3 planetary systems. What is your translation?
Actually, when Lord Chaitanya passes through the forest known as Jarikanda, the tigers, elephants, snakes, deer, and all other animals join him in chanting Hare Krishna. It is so nice that anyone can join. Even the animals can join. What to speak of human beings? Of course, it is not possible for ordinary men to induce animals to chant. But if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can inspire animals to chant, at least we can encourage human beings to adopt this path of Hare Krishna mantra chanting. It is so nice that even the most stone-hearted man will be melted. Pashana means stone. It is so nice that even stone will melt. But Lochan Das Thakur regrets that he is entrapped by sense gratification.
Pasupakhi jure pasana vidare sunijar gunagatha. Even hearing is glorifications. Hearing their glorifications of Gaur and Nitai. Understand? Even the birds and beasts, they cry. Do you understand? They cry. They are always crying, where are these two? All merciful Lord Gaur and Nitai. Do you understand? They are always crying for them. You are not crying. Get out from here. Why are you not crying? Birds and beasts cry. You are not crying. Crying for stone only? Nonsense. Pashan vidare. Even the stone melts, but your heart, much harder than a block of stone, don't melt. No. Cry for the mercy. Cry for the mercy. If you get their mercy, then you'll cry. You understand? Then your heart, harder than a block of stone, such hard heart, stone-like heart will melt. Otherwise, will melt. They're ready to embrace you. Ready to embrace, you see. They embrace Jogai Madhai, most sinful, two brothers. You are worse than that, isn't it? You are worse than Jogai and Madhai, isn't it? Still they are ready to embrace you, still. Still they are ready to embrace you, but you are running away, isn't it? You are not coming closer, rather you are running away from their calling. They are calling you. Do you hear their call? Are you deaf? Hey, are you deaf? Can't you hear their call, how they are calling you? Can't you hear? Open. Hey, bring a piece of iron, red hot. Thrust it into her ears. Then deafness will go. Are you deaf? Can't you hear? They are calling you. Can't you hear? No, no, you can't hear how they are calling you. Come to our fold, come to our fold, we are ready to embrace you, they are calling you. Open your ear and hear how they are calling, you see? Understand my language? संसारे मजिया रहिली पड़िया से पदे नहिल आसो आपन कर्म भुंजाए समन कहे लोचन दास. Yes.
But Lochan Das Thakur regrets that he is entrapped by sense gratification.
Yes.
He addresses himself saying, "My dear mind, you are entrapped in the sense gratification process and you have no attraction for chanting Hare Krishna. Since you have no attraction for the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda, what can I say? I can simply think of my misfortune. Yamaraj, the superintendent of death, is punishing me by not allowing me to be attracted by this movement."
Yamaraj, not allowing. So, Yamaraj is not allowing you? Are you in the abode of Yamaraj? But Yamaraj in another song, Premananda says, when Mahaprabhu's Prema Nama Sankirtana, loud chanting, congregational, loud kirtan of Mahaprabhu, Prema Nama Sankirtana of Prema Nama, when stand comes, Yamaraj becomes afraid. Yeah, Yamaraj becomes afraid and shuts the door. Nobody will now come to my abode. Door is closed now. Why you are in the abode of Yamaraj? Understand? Why you are in the abode of Yamaraj? Yamaraj is afraid. Immediately closes, shuts the door. Nobody. Door is closed. Nobody will come to the abode of Yamaraj. So, ए संसारे मजिया रहिली पड़िया से पदे नहिल आसो आपन कर्म भुंजाए समन कहे लोचन दास. Lochon Das Thakur says, I am such Durdeva, Durdevidrusi Mihadani Nanurago, Sigastago. I am such Durdeva, such a rascal, such a ill-fated, idiot I am, ill-fated idiot, rascal I am. I cannot develop any attraction, any attachment for this sweet singing of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. I am not attracted towards lotus feet of Gaur and Nitai, and so much engrossed in this material world and material enjoyment. I am such a rascal. So I am responsible for my own fate. Yes. It said, man is architect of his fortune. How do you say in English? Destiny. Architect of his destiny. So you are responsible for your ill fate. Nobody is responsible. You are not developing attraction towards such lotus feet of Gaur and Nitai, so supremely merciful to Lords, and deeply engrossed in this ocean of materialistic existence, and this material enjoyment, and you are reaping the consequence of your activity, your karma. Yes, give up now this thing, be attracted towards nice, beautiful lotus feet of Gaur and Nitai, so supremely merciful Lord. They are calling you, hear their call, they are ready to embrace you. Run, then stand to them, beg for their mercy, cry before them. Then it will be all right. Finish? So I'll begin. In this way I'll go on, some Oriental and some English. One night Sachidevi dreamed the deities in her house, Krishna and Balaram, taken the forms of Chaitanya and Nityananda, and were fighting one another. Children do to eat Naivedya, offering to the deities. Sachi Mata dekhile, gote dino, swapnare, ratri swapnare dekhile, Chaitanya and Nityananda, Krishna Balaram, Rupa Dharan karchi, ତାଙ୍କ ଘରେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଦୁଇ ବାଳକ ପିଲାମାନେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରନ୍ତି ନୈବେଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ. Next day, by the will of Lord Chaitanya, Sachi Devi invited Nityananda to take prasad at her house. सतीदेवी गौरांग महाप्रभु को कहले मु स्वप्न देखिली। हाँ नित्यानंद प्रभु हाँ नित्यानंद प्रभु खाइबा मागुछन् माँ बोलिकरी खाइबा मागुछन् सतीदेवी नित्यानंद प्रभु देखिले। नित्यानंद प्रभु से महाप्रभु घर को जाई बाल्य भाव रे सची माता चरण धरवा जाती। सची माता दौड़िक पलि जाती। हाँ ही इज डूइंग दिस सेम थिंग। महाप्रभु इज offering his lap, come to my lap. Huh? Come, calling you, but you are running away. Huh? Is running away. You see? Instead of going to Mahaprabhu, you are running away. Huh? Are you doing like that? Don't do like that. Run to him. Huh? From this day, no more running away. Run to Mahaprabhu. Alright? Sati Mata is so fortunate who could see such form. Huh? Can you see such form? Huh? Blind, deaf and blind, isn't it? It's deaf and blind. Deaf and blind. You can see. Chaitanya Bhagavata, Bhakti Ratnakara, Chaitanya Mangala, the stories are there. Sachimata saw the dream. One night Sachimata saw a dream and told Vishwambara Mahaprabhu, I saw this dream, you and Nityananda, two 5-year-old boys, and you are moving in our house. You are blackish, Syam Varna, Nitai, white, Gaura Varna, and both of you are running to DT room and catching hold of two deities, Rama and Krishna. Yes. You have cut hold of deity, Balaram deity. Nitai has cut hold of Krishna deity. Saw in the dream. You and Nitai, Rama and Krishna, You four are playing in my house. Four were playing in my house, quarreling, fighting also. Yes, I saw. And Nityananda is calling me, mother. I am hungry, give me food, I am very hungry. This is the dream I saw. Sachimata said. Hearing this, Vishwambara means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Mother, you saw very, very nice dream. Very, very nice dream. Don't tell it to anybody. Nityananda was asking for food. Yes, asking you for food. Today you go and invite Nityananda. He'll come and eat in our house. Hearing this, Sachimata prepared many varieties of rice, dal, sabji, khatta, sweet rice, varieties, very, very palatable dishes. Do you understand? And went and invited Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu came, the two brothers, Gaura and Nitai, as if in Treta Yuga, two brothers Ram and Lakshmana were sitting in the house of Kausalya Devi for eating. Do you understand? Looking so beautiful. Sachimata was serving the food. Two brothers were eating. Then Sachimata went to get some more food to give them. When she came back, she saw these two brothers, Gaur and Nitai. They have assumed the form of two small boys, 5-year-old small boys. And two of them were all naked. Vishwambara was of black complexion, Krishna Varna. Nityananda was of white complexion, very beautiful form. And two of them were naked. And Sachimata saw then 400 forms. Vishwambara has adjourned 400 forms with 4 hands, carrying Sankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, understand? And Nityananda was carrying Hara, Musha, plough and club. Do you understand? And also, Sachimata saw the Kaustuva gem in the chest. And also, their ears were decorated with shark shaped earring, Mogor Kunda. Sachimata also saw her daughter-in-law, that means the wife of Gauranga, that means Vishnupriya, in the heart of Vishwambara. You understand? Such wonderful scene. When Sachimata saw, she became fainted, fell down on the ground. She had come holding a plate of anna in her hand. She became fainted, fell down on the ground. The plate of anna fell down on the ground, all anna sprinkled on the floor. Immediately, Mahaprabhu Vishwambara got up, washed his hand, and picked up Sachimata from the ground. As soon as he touched Sachimata, Sachimata got back consciousness, and then Nityananda, Vishwambara, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu consoled Sachimata. Nityananda Prabhu was looking at the face of Sachimata. So Vishwambara, Gauranga Mahaprabhu told Sachimata, Mother, you should accept Nityananda as your son. Yes. You understand? You should accept Nityananda as your son. You should show more affection to Nityananda than me. Hearing this, Sachimata said, Nityananda, you become my son from today. You too are my sons. Saying this, she shed tears and took up Nityananda to her lap. Nityananda Prabhu also, looking at the face of Sachimata, saying, Mother, whatever you say, that's truth, I accept it. And then he paid obeisances at the feet of Sachimata. Nityananda said, from today I become your son. Mother, please, don't mind if I commit any aparadh to you, because I am your subsequent son. So this is the incident is described here. You follow? So, then Jagai and Madhai were two brothers born in Navadvipa in a respectable Brahmin family who later became addicted to all kinds of sinful activities. By the order of Lord Chaitanya, both Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur is to preach the cult of Krishna consciousness door to day, door to door. In the course of such preaching, they found Jagai and Madhai, two maddened, drunken brothers, who upon seeing them began to chase them. And the next day, Madhai struck Nityananda Prabhu in the forehead, the piece of earthen pot, thus drawing blood. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard of this, immediately came to the spot, ready to punish both brothers. But when the all-merciful Lord Gauranga saw Jagai's repentant behavior, immediately embraced him. So all-merciful. By seeing the Supreme Personal Godhead face to face, embracing him, both the sinful brothers were all at once cleansed. Thus they received initiation into the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra from the Lord and were delivered. So that was Mahaprabhu's order. By the order of Mahaprabhu Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, both Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur used to preach the cult of Krishna consciousness door to door in Nadia. You understand? So that is there the order of Mahaprabhu. That song is there. Nadiya Godrume Nityananda Mahadana, Nadiya Godrume Nityananda Mahadana, Nadiya Godrume Nityananda Mahadana, Nadiya Godrume Nityananda Mahadana. Patiya se namoto divero karano, Patiya se namoto divero karano, Patiya se namoto divero karano, Patiya se namoto divero karano. Sadhavanjana he sadhavanjana, Sadhavanjana he sadhavanjana, Sadhavanjana he sadhavanjana, Sadhavanjana he sadhavanjana. Prabhurajnaya bhai magi vikhya, Prabhurajnaya bhai magi vikhya, Prabhurajnaya bhai magi vikhya, Prabhurajnaya bhai magi vikhya. Bolo Krishna bhaja Krishna karo Krishna sikhya, Bolo Krishna bhaja Krishna karo Krishna sikhya, Bolo Krishna bhaja Krishna karo Krishna sikhya, Bolo Krishna bhaja Krishna karo Krishna sikhya. Aparad sunya hoy lo Krishna naam, Aparad sunya hoy lo Krishna naam, Aparad sunya hoy lo Krishna naam, Aparad sunya hoy lo Krishna naam. Krishna Mata Krishna Pita Krishna Mama Pran, Krishna Mata Krishna Pita Krishna Mama Pran, Krishna Mata Krishna Pita Krishna Mama Pran, Krishna Mata Krishna Pita Krishna Mama Pran. Krishnera sansar karo chari anachar, Krishnera sansar karo chari anachar, Krishnera sansar karo chari anachar, Krishnera sansar karo chari anachar. Jive daya Krishna nama sarva dharma sar, Jive daya Krishna nama sarva dharma sar, Jive daya Krishna nama sarva dharma sar, Jive daya Krishna nama sarva dharma sar. This is the song, Kirtan, Nagar Kirtan, you have this is Prabhu Rajna, by the order of my master, order of Mahaprabhu, we are preaching this. Nityananda Prabhu says, yes.
In the land of Navadvip, on the island of Godruma, the magnanimous Lord Nityananda has opened the marketplace of the holy name.
Namatta, marketplace, holy name.
For the deliverance of all fallen souls.
Yes.
O men of faith, by the order of Lord Gauranga, O brothers, I beg this one request. Chant Krishna, serve and worship Krishna, and learn about Krishna.
This is order of my master, order of Mahaprabhu. O brother, I beg for these alms. Stretching this piece of cloth. I beg for this alms. What? Bala Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Kara Krishna Sikhya. Utter the name of Krishna. Chant the name of Krishna. And accept the teachings of Krishna. Understand? This is my begging. Yes.
Chant the holy name of Krishna without offense.
Yes.
Krishna is your mother. Krishna is our father. And Krishna is the treasure of your life. Giving up all
my life and soul. Krishna is life and soul. Yes.
Giving up all material contamination. Carry on your worldly duties, but in relation to Krishna. Showing compassion to all fallen souls by loudly chanting the holy name of Krishna is the essence of all forms of religion.
Krishna sansar karo chadi anachar. What the English you say?
showing compassion to all fallen souls by loudly chanting the holy name of Krishna,
No, prior to that.
giving up all material contamination, carry on your worldly duties, but do them in relation to Krishna.
Worldly duties?
Carry on your worldly duties, but do them in relation to Krishna.
What is? You understand something? Huh? No, he can't understand. कृष्णे संसार करो छाड़ियो नाचार, नित्यानंद प्रभु say. Enter into Krishna's sansar. Krishna's world. Get out from Maya's world. Understand language? You understand now? Get out from Maya's world and enter into Krishna's world. Understand? In which world you are? Maya's world or Krishna's world? Bolo? Maya's world. He is in Maya's world. Which world you are?
He's just a hunk, he said. He said he's just a hunk.
Are you in Maya's world or Krishna's world? Maya's world, the same. He is in Maya's world, he is in Maya's world, the same. Two brothers, Yes, two brothers. Get out from Maya's world. No more Maya's world. Enter into Krishna's world. Understand? From this moment you get out. Alright? Alright? From this moment, get out from Maya's world and enter into Krishna's world. Where is Krishna's world? Where? Gurudev says, I have opened Krishna's world. Come enter into Krishna's world. In my speech. Gurudev has opened Krishna's world and calling you, come, enter into Krishna's world. Why are you in Maya's world? Get out from Maya's world, enter into Krishna's world. I have opened it. Do you understand? Gurudev has opened Krishna's world. Spread Krishna's world. Come and enter. Understand me? Yes. Where will you find Krishna's world? Where will you find? Gurudev has opened it. Understand? Gurudev is calling you. Come, get out. Get out from Maya's world. Enter into Krishna's world. Come. Gurudeva's world is Krishna's world. Yes. He has set up. You follow? That he says. Krishna sansar karo chhadiyo. What translation it is? Krishna sansar karo chhadiyo nachar. Do you understand? Enter into Krishna's sansar, Krishna's world. Give up all anachar or sadachar. What is that English here?
Giving up all material contamination.
Give all material contamination. Giving up all material contamination. The stool eating habit. You understand? Give up the stool eating habit. Understand? That is anachar. Give up all material desires. That is anachar. Develop sadachar. What do you say?
Proper activities, good activities.
Develop sadachar. That means develop proper activities in Krishna's sansar. There is no anachar. There is no sadachar. You will never find such materialistic activities there, or material desires there. Do you understand? Habit of eating stool. Not there. Sugar candy, nectar is there. You understand? You'll get nectar, you'll get sugar candy, very sweet nectarian taste. You follow? So, Nityananda Prabhu says, get out from Maya's world, enter into Krishna's world, give up your all bad habits, materialistic habits, nasty habits, habits, stool eating habits, develop very nice habit. That is good habit. Good means eating sugar candy, eating nectar, drinking nectar, releasing nectarian mellow, emanating from chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. These are activities in Krishna sansar. Do you understand? All joyful, all blissful, all happiness, constant, unbroken. Do you follow? Constant, unbroken, unmixed. Unmixed happiness and joyfulness you'll find in Krishna sansar. Jivedaya Krishna Nama Sarva Dharma Sar. This is the essence of all dharma. Jivedaya Krishna Nama. Chanting name of Krishna and showing mercy to all living entities. How can you show mercy? How can you show mercy to all living entities? Unless you see the relationship of Krishna. Unless you see the relationship with Krishna, you cannot show mercy to all living entities. All living entities have eternal loving relationship with Krishna. Do you follow? Krishna Samandha, only one relationship. That is relationship with Krishna. No material relationship, no bodily relationship, no temporary relationship. All eternal loving relationship with Krishna. Do you understand? If you can develop that vision, then you can see. Understand me? If you can develop that vision, then you can see the all loving eternal relationship with Krishna. How? Everybody, every living entity is related to Krishna. Then only you will be able to shower mercy on all living entities. Feel pity and show mercy to all living entities. Otherwise, how can you? You understand? That is what Nityananda Prabhu, Haridas Thakur, they were moving and preaching the call of Krishna consciousness by the order of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then they met these two brothers, Jagai and Madhai, mad and drunken brothers. Upon seeing them, began to chase them. Next day, Madhai struck Nityananda Prabhu on the head with a piece of earthen pot. It was drawing blood. Yes. Such is there. But how merciful in Nityananda Prabhu? Though he was beaten, though his head was struck with the broken pieces of liquor pot, profuse bleeding was there, still what he did? Do you know? Still, he embraced the drunken brother. Do you understand? Still he embraced and showered mercy on them. Mar khaya prem diya. Eman Prabhu kothay ache? Mar khaya prem diya. Eman Prabhu kothay ache? Is there such Prabhu, merciful Prabhu like Nityananda Prabhu, who was though beaten, still gave prem? Though beaten, still gave prem. Will you find such all merciful Prabhu like Nityananda Prabhu anywhere? So why are you not running to him? Run, go, immediately. He is ready, he is calling you. You are deaf, you are dumb, you are blind. Cannot hear, cannot see. Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol, bhai re, Hari bol. Hey! এলো জগাই মাধাই রে, হরি নামে সিদ্ধ এলো জগাই মাধাই রে, হরি নামে সিদ্ধ এলো জগাই মাধাই রে। বড় পাপী ছিল রে, 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 হরি নামে সিদ্ধ এলো জগাই মাধাই রে, হরি নামে সিদ্ধ এলো জগাই মাধাই রে। মিছে মায়াবদ্ধ হয়ে জীবন কাটাই রে, মিছে মায়াবদ্ধ হয়ে জীবন কাটাই রে, মিছে মায়াবদ্ধ হয়ে জীবন কাটাই রে, মিছে মায়াবদ্ধ হয়ে জীবন কাটাই রে। আমি আমার বলো রে, আমি আমার বলো রে, আমি আমার বলো রে, আমি আমার বলো রে। আশা বসে ঘুরে ঘুরে আর কোথা যাই রে, আশা বসে ঘুরে আশা বসে ঘুরে ঘুরে আর কোথা যাই রে, আশা বসে ঘুরে ঘুরে আর কোথা যাই রে। আশা শেষ নাই রে, আশা শেষ নাই রে, আশা শেষ নাই রে, আশা শেষ নাই রে। হরি বলে দেও ভাই আশার মুখে চাই রে, হরি বলে দেও ভাই আশার মুখে চাই রে, হরি বলে দেও ভাই আশার মুখে চাই রে, হরি বলে দেও ভাই আশার মুখে চাই রে। হরি বল। নিরাশ তো সুখ রে, 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 নিরাশ তো সুখ রে। গো মুখ্য বংশধারী হরি নাম গাই রে, গো মুখ্য বংশধারী হরি নাম গাই রে, গো মুখ্য বংশধারী হরি নাম গাই রে, গো মুখ্য বংশধারী হরি নাম গাই রে। নিরাশ তো সুখ রে, নিরাশ তো সুখ রে, নিরাশ তো সুখ রে, নিরাশ তো সুখ রে। গো মুখ্য বংশধারী হরি নাম গাই রে, গো মুখ্য বংশধারী হরি নাম গাই রে। শুদ্ধ সত্য হয়ে রে, শুদ্ধ সত্য হয়ে রে, শুদ্ধ সত্য হয়ে রে, শুদ্ধ সত্য হয়ে রে। না চাইও নামের গুণে ও সব ফল পাই রে, না চাইও নামের গুণে ও সব ফল পাই রে, না চাইও নামের গুণে ও সব ফল পাই রে, না চাইও নামের গুণে ও সব ফল পাই রে, না চাইও নামের গুণে ও সব ফল পাই রে। হরি নাম গাই রে, হরি নাম গাই রে, হরি
Chant Hari, chant Hari, chant Seeing our unhappiness, Lord Gauranga and Lord Nitai have brought the holy name. Except for the...
Seeing our unhappiness, seeing our distressed condition, suffering condition, all merciful to Lord, Gauranga Nitai have brought this holy name for us. Yes. Then,
Except for the holy name, there is no other treasure for the soul.
what treasure is there? Stool? Stool your treasure? Stool is that. What treasure? Holy name is only treasure. Do you understand? Harinama mina jiveranya dhananai. Do you understand? Only treasure is Harinam. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. This is the only treasure for all jivas. No other treasure, invaluable treasure is there. Understand? Hariname Suddhayalo Jagai Madai Bodopapi Chilo. Great, very, very great sinful person to brother Jagai and Madai. They become purified. Through chanting holy name, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
By the influence of the holy name, even Jagai and Madai became pure.
Yes.
And they were both very, very greatly sinful persons.
Now why you are not purified? Are you not chanting? No? Not chanting? Not chanting holy name? Why committing namaprad? Chant pure name. Yes, then?
I passed my life uselessly, bound by Maya, to the false conceptions of I and mine.
Yes.
Wandering here and there, under the control of mundane desires.
Niche maya buddha hoy jivan katai. What sort of life you are leading? Niche maya buddha hoy jivan katai. Cutting up in the net of maya, isn't it? In the net of maya, you are leading your life. Hog. Stool-eating hog. Cutting up in the net of maya, leading his life. Yes.
There is no end to these worldly desires.
Saying I and mine, I and mine, I and mine, isn't it? Yes, my wife, my wife, my wife, my wife, my wife, my heart, my all I and mine, saying this.
There's no end to these worldly desires, therefore...
So many material desires you have, isn't it? Unlimited material desires, unlimited. There is no end to it. Asar seso nahi re. There is no end to it. Unlimited material desires you have, isn't it? Asa bose gure ar kotha jai. Yes, that's what you say.
Therefore, where shall I go next?
Unlimited material desires you have. You are running behind all these material desires to fulfill all these material desires. Running, isn't it? How many lives you have already run? How many lives? Lots of life already run. Isn't it? Behind this unlimited material desires, for the fulfillment of all unlimited material desires, but there is no limit to it. There is no limit to it, no limit to all material desires. Then running, lots of life. Now where will you go, Baba? Where will you go now? Where will you go now? Yes. What is your destination? Huh? Where will you go? Yes, bolo.
Oh brothers, chant Hari Hari.
Hari Bol!